Welcome to Chapter 6, Chemical Equilibrium. Okay, now we shall continue with writing the expression for Kc and Kp based on the reversible reaction given. Now, remember, if let's say we have gas, then we can have Kc and Kp. If we have aqueous only, then we only have Kc. Okay, if there is solid and liquid, because the concentration is constant, so we do not write Kc or Kp. Okay, now let's start with number 1. Okay, let's identify the phase first. Okay, the phase aqueous, okay, solid we don't want, and then aqueous. Okay, so now we can start to write the Kc expression. Okay, so if Kc, if it's only aqueous, we only write Kc. Okay, so right here, Kc product over reactant. So the product is concentration bracket Fe 3 plus. Okay, then the reactant is silver ion and iron 2 plus ion. Okay, so this is done. There's no Kp. Okay, next one. Go for Roman number 2. Okay, we have gas, and gas. Okay, just now as I said, if gas, we can write Kb and Kc. So now let's write. Okay, let's start with Kc first. Kc equals to, we have CO, concentration, and don't forget, the coefficient is 2. So square, power of 2, and then we have oxygen product over reactant. The reactant is carbon dioxide. Same thing again. There's the coefficient. So write 2. Okay. Now we continue with Kp. Okay, Kp we change to pressure. Okay, so we have pressure of carbon monoxide. Okay, remember again stoichiometry as a coefficient. The coefficient is 2 power 2, and then we have pressure of oxygen over the reactant is pressure of carbon dioxide. Okay, same thing, the coefficient is 2, so bracket 2. Okay, now next one, let's go to Roman 3. Okay, we have liquid we don't want because the concentration is constant. So we have gas and aqueous. Okay, so when we have both, then we can write, okay, we can write Kc because both can have Kc, gas can have Kc, sulfuric acid also can have Kc. So product concentration bracket over reactant. Water we don't include, okay, because it is liquid. The concentration is constant. Okay, so now next one, we go for Kp. Okay, remember Kp we only choose gas. So this is the reactant. Okay, so for reactant, if we don't have any product here, we just put 1. Then we put the reactant. The reactant is sulfur trioxide. Okay, so this is the answer for Roman 3. Okay, now next one we go for Roman 4. Okay, same thing again. Solid concentration is constant. Solid concentration is constant. We only have gas. Okay, so gas we can have Kp and Kc. Okay, let's start with Kc. Okay, now we only have product. We don't have reactant. So what we do is, okay, for example, if I have concentration of Br2, okay, coefficient is half, Then if we don't have any reactant, we put 1. Okay, so anything divided by 1 equals to the same thing. So we just put Br2 power of half. Okay, now next one is expression for Kp, pressure. So we only have product, so same thing again, just write pressure of Br2 and don't forget the coefficient, power of half. Okay, so I would like to highlight again. If we have gas, okay, we can have both Kc and Kp. If we have the phase aqueous, then we only have Kc. If the phase is solid and liquid, it doesn't have any Kc and Kp because the concentration is constant. Okay, so that's all for this exercise.